match number 19 over here on the science field. This one starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, and with this 19th match, we've already got a couple robots moving. Immediately one specimen and a sample for the Blue Alliance. Another sample coming up on the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance also scores 2 of those samples into their high baskets. Looks like, unfortunately, Team 6423 missed their second specimen for their auto, but they did get their third, and it falls very dramatically off of the high chamber, but they do get their fourth. So, with a couple seconds left, looks like the scores are tied.
Drivers,
almost.
pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
With drivers in charge of their robots now, it looks like we've got a couple moving bots. Team 16397 seems to be having a little bit of trouble moving there, but their alliance partners immediately starts to cycle. Oh, and they're off. Then they're off. They've got one of those red samples up in their claws, trying to place it up onto that high basket. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance has quickly run out of blue samples up on the ocean floor. They still have one, but they're choosing to pick out of the barrier in the submersible, turning those into specimens. Their human player is trying very hard to keep up with the pace. Looks like the robot, unfortunately, lost that specimen. Meanwhile, Team 9999 goes right for that top basket over on the blue side. The Red Alliance over here is filling up their top basket so fast. We still have over a minute left of the game, and it's more than halfway full. That might become a problem if they keep cycling this fast. Team 16397 over on the red side of the field seems to be trying to pick up a sample off the ocean floor. Their alliance partners aren't too bothered by it. They're not worried. Despite having 2 faster moving robots on the Blue Alliance, looks like the Red Alliance actually is keeping up with the points very, very well. The Blue Alliance just takes the top there with 113, placing another sample over in that top basket. Looks like the Red Alliance is following shortly after, though. They are not stopping for anybody, going right back and forth from that ascent zone and barrier right into that top basket. And with endgame coming about, the Blue Alliance does currently have the advantage, but will they be able to keep it with the rate that they're going at? They get one more specimen up into that high chamber. They get one more sample up into that high basket. Looks like the Red Alliance might be starting to face the problem that there's simply not enough space in the high basket for all of their points to be scored. And we've got just a couple seconds left. Will we see any climbs, or are they going to keep going for those last points? Looks like we got one parked on the red side, none on the blue, with an unofficial score of 157 to 122. What an exciting match that was. Moving on. If you take a look at the screen, you will see that we've got a Blue Alliance win. Congratulations, Blue Alliance, 157 to 125. They get 2 RPs for that, and their team move up to 13 and 24. With that, we'll be back very soon on tech to start this match.